So what we have here is an orange, British made, handmade aluminium mountain bike. I bought the frame in 2015 directly from Orange, so it's original paint and everything, and then I built it up myself using all sorts of really good quality components, so pretty much Hope on everything, Hope wheels, Tech Enduros, which I think are pretty much unmarked really, Pike fork, Hope hubs, good quality shock, decent quality dropper post, same Hope wheels on the back. It's all running tubeless, so the NobbyN on the back, as you can see, still got its little spurly things on, so it's unused. It's a 1x11, it's XT here. I think it's Hope at the bottom bracket as well, and the rear cassette I think is unused as yet, and I think it's got a fresh chain on it as well. The brake brackets are on it, but to be able to ride it, and it would need brakes fitting to it, and pedals, and then it would be good. And it's done very low miles. In fact, as you can see, it's not really been used very much. In fact, the Pike is still uncut, so it's still at full length. I think the droppers, I'm not sure if I've ever ridden it with a dropper, but it works, it's perfectly fine. And it's been helicopter taped, which if you zoom in you can kind of see it properly helicopter taped from new. So no dings, damage or anything. It's just a nice sweet thing. It does ride very, very nicely.